When it comes to accurate and reliable surveying services in Chattarpur, look no further than DGPSsurveyors Chattarpur. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team of professionals, they offer top-notch surveying solutions for various projects. Whether it's land development, construction, or infrastructure planning, DGPSsurveyors Chattarpur has the expertise to handle it all. They utilize advanced DGPS technology to collect precise data and create detailed surveys that meet the highest standards of accuracy. With their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, DGPSsurveyors Chattarpur is the go-to choice for all surveying needs in the area. One of the key factors that set DGPSsurveyors Chattarpur apart from other surveying companies is their expertise in Scon Design. Scon, which stands for Site Control Network, is a crucial aspect of any surveying project. It involves the establishment of a network of control points across the site, which serve as reference points for accurate measurements and calculations. With their in-depth knowledge of Scon design principles and techniques, DGPSsurveyors Chattarpur ensures that the control network is set up correctly and efficiently. This enables them to achieve precise results and minimize errors during the surveying process. Based in Delhi, DGPSsurveyors Chattarpur caters to a wide range of clients, including government agencies, private developers, and construction companies. They have built a strong reputation in the industry for their professionalism, reliability, and attention to detail. Whether it's a small-scale residential project or a large-scale commercial development, DGPSsurveyors Chattarpur has the capabilities to handle it with utmost precision and efficiency. They understand the importance of delivering accurate surveys on time and within budget, and they strive to exceed client expectations in every project they undertake. DGPSsurveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying, providing accurate and precise measurements of land and property boundaries. In Chattarpur, a bustling suburb of Delhi, there is a high demand for professional DGP surveyors who can provide reliable surveying services. These surveyors utilize advanced DGPS technology to accurately determine property boundaries and collect data related to the topography of the land. With their expertise and knowledge, DGP surveyors in Chattarpur ensure that land development projects are carried out efficiently and in compliance with legal requirements. One prominent DGP surveyor company in Chattarpur is Scon Design, known for its expertise in land surveying and its commitment to delivering high-quality services. Scon Design has a team of highly skilled and experienced DGP surveyors who are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and tools to carry out precise surveys. Their extensive knowledge of the geographic area allows them to navigate through the complex terrain of Chattarpur, ensuring accurate measurements and data collection.